Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover the walkthrough of Lazy SysAdmin. This machine is a boot to root CTF available on VulnHub. Its difficulty is rated as beginner or intermediate. So you can download from this link and import it in VirtualBox. I have already imported, so I will click on start. Let's wait for a few minutes. Till now, you must be knowing what will be the first command. We will discover the machine IP address by running tool netdiscover. I have got the target machine IP address 192.168.0.122. Next, we will scan the network to find the open ports and service by running nmap -sc -sv -pn and IP address of target machine. Let's wait for our scan to get complete. Now we can see that port 22, 80, 139, 445 and other ports are open. So we will start with enumeration. We'll use tool GoBuster. And we will give the path of our word list. Here we can see some directories like WP, WordPress, etc. Let's open them one by one. With WordPress, I got to know two names, Toggy and admin. There is a PHP myadmin which can help us check the database present and can help in privileges escalation over WordPress. Let's see if SMB public share is enabled. So let's try to access them by smb client command. Now all the shared directories available on the given host are visible. We will check for share folder. Let's go to the WordPress directory and look what we have found. Let's check in wp-config.php. Is there any useful information available to us? So we have got the database username and database password. Let's try to log in. So I have logged in into the PHP my admin. Let's try Hydra tool, which is used to brute force the password by using the favorite word list rocku.txt. Here we got the SSH login credential. So let's try to log in. As we know that we have logged into a user named Logi, so I will run the command to just confirm. Now we have to gain the root privileges. To do that, we will run the Python command. Sudo l, password is 12345. So we will move backward. We'll go in the root directory. We'll try to read the proof.txt file. If you find this video helpful, please give up a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.